guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm April from Living in Her Own Lane here on YouTube. If you're stumbled upon this video, hi guys. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button down below. I always encourage everybody to leave a comment. Those make my day, believe it or not. And today is another episode of my series called Reset. I will leave the intro up in the cards and down below in the description so you can go ahead and watch that video and see what I mean when I say reset. So today I'm taking you into my refrigerator and we're going to reset my refrigerator today. Let's go. So this is what we are working with. It is cluttered and unorganized and there is crap just thrown everywhere. So we're going to clean this out today and organize it all and redo it or reset it. Let's go. So in my bucket I just have hot water and Dawn dish soap, the blue kind, and this is what I'm going to use to clean everything out. So I got these placemats at the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm going to go ahead and line the shelves with these. I also got these white bins at the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to write on them with a dry erase marker, and these are going to keep my refrigerator organized. Alright, so my fridge is officially reset. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, nice and organized with the new bins. This one's for fruit. I have some leftovers here. Well, my mother-in-law and father-in-law made a soup, so that was nice. And then I have a bin for the vegetables, and then the crispers are all cleaned out. And then I went through here and I organized and pulled everything that was already outdated and cleaned all the shelves. So there you have it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already for more reset videos to come. Cleaning and organization on Sundays. That's when my reset series goes out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye guys.